I'll be doing a presentation today on migraine headaches for nursing informatics. We'll be talking and giving an introduction on migraine headaches. Going to talk about the causes and risk of migraine headaches, symptoms and types of migraine headaches, rebound headaches. Going to discuss patients' families' part in migraine management and prevention. We're going to specifically talk about migraine prevention, diagnostic tests, migraine medications, alternative treatments, stress management, and relaxation techniques. And the last thing we're going to be talking about today is migraine journaling. We're going to explain journaling and the importance of it. We're going to discuss content material of journaling. And lastly, we're going to make a migraine journal. What I'm going to discuss is any type of questions that my patient and their family member has.